Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 5.3-liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Leather amenities include such as premium leather heated seats, as well as 2-inch lift kit, Bridgestone all-terrain tires, sprayed bed liner, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling, cup holder storage at the bottom, equipped to the Bose speaker sound system. It'll come up here, the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the wood chrome accents. Onto the seats, you're going to have leather heated seats with driver adjustable lumbar here, super nice. Left side you'll have your vents and as well as your drive mode selector and lighting control. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel with the black bow tie. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control with 2 paddle shifters right behind. And on the odometer, you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your drive summary, adaptive cruise, and all your gauges, as well as your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Built-in Google Assistant and Maps is here. You can also access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as your mirror cams, hitch cam. You also got built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as Amazon Alexa. Below that will be your lane keep assist and park assist next to your auto stop and hill descent control, part of the Z71 package. With the wood and chrome accent just below, you're going to see your integrated brake controller right next to your dual zone climate control with 2 USB ports on the side. And in the center console, lots of extra storage, the new shifter, as well as a wireless charging pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall charger. Passenger side, same finish, but manually adjustable. Leather and heated, wood and chrome all the way across. You got the Z71 floor liners. Speakers and vents up top, some storage behind the infotainment. And then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your power rear sliding window. You got these blacked out 20-inch wheels on Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain tires with the black Z71 badging, black hood scoop, black mirror caps, and keyless entry door handles as well with your Trail Boss badging. We got a black corner step bumper with the chrome exhaust, trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under, monotube shocks. We're gonna have the black emblems as well. In the back here, you got 2 LED lamps as well as an AC wall port with around 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, we got more paneling and storage right next to the speaker, power window with the wood and chrome accent again. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver side with rear cup holders, rear ventilation and USB ports, as well as right in the center, cup holder and armrest. You're going to have storage behind the seats, as well as storage under, with lamps up top and handles on the side. Alright, well thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Equipped with a 5.3-liter V8 engine, as well as Bridgestone all-terrain tires, adaptive cruise, Z71 package, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope to subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.